Okay, so that's my DK Cleveland bike check. I'm gonna start with the front. OD bar hands with the premium grips and Miracle handlebars and a DK stock steam with a cartridge headset, DK forks and DK nachos hub, front hub, black box some rim. The front tires bullshit. I don't give a fuck. Well go pedals, Miracle cranks with a DK sprocket with a KHE chain, half link, back tire is I don't know, bullshit too. A G-Tech hub with a big fat rim, ACS fat gear, free wheel, Miracle seat. I don't know what is the seat clamp. All that is bullshit. So that's the DK bike check. Thanks for watching.